What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to program the HomeLink garage door opener on your Dodge Durango. This should be the same steps all the way from 2010 to current Durangos. This one is a 2019. So you're going to locate your HomeLink buttons, which should be up here if you have it, by the reading lights. And you'll see there's a couple buttons here with the lines on them. What you're going to want to do is clear out any garage codes that might be saved in there. So to do that, you're going to push the outer and inner button at the same time, and you'll see this red light. After a few seconds, keep holding and it'll start flashing, and that'll let you know everything is cleared out if anyone's got their old garage door codes stored. So there you go, it's cleared out. Now what you'll need to do is pick the garage door opener that you're trying to program. As you can see, we have two garage door openers in this garage. We're doing the primary door right now. And this one is a Genie. It's an older Genie motor, so we actually had to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove two screws to get at this cover and remove it. But typically on the newer garage door openers, you'll just like push in a tab and pop this down. You just need to access the Learn button, which typically it'll have a colored button and say Learn right next to it. On this particular Genie one, it's here. On the left side, there's a little black button and the red dot will light up. So now it is in learning mode. Now most openers only stay in learning mode for about 30 seconds, so you got to do this quick. What you're going to do is take your current garage door clicker and you're going to hold the button down that is for this door while you hold down the button that you want to program for this door. So I'm going to hold this one and this at the same time. As you see it shut, we'll let it close all the way and try this button and see if it worked. All right, let's give this a shot here. I think it's probably in learning mode still. All right, so it did take a few tries, and it is going to be dependent on your garage door openers. So on this one, I believe after we hit the Learn button on the motor, and then I came out here and held this button down at the same time as this one, I then had to go push the Learn button again on that door for it to like come out of learning mode. A lot of them will kick out of learning mode automatically after 30 seconds, like I said. And if this doesn't work your first try, give it a few more tries. It even took me like 2 or 3 tries, and I've done this before a few times. So it can be a little finicky. You know, you may have to... What ended up working for me is I actually held this button down for about 1 second before pushing this button. If I was pushing them at the same time, what was happening is this one was just opening and closing the garage, and I think it was kicking it out of learning mode. So I hit this one for about a second, held it down, and then held this one down, and it finally worked, as you can see. Da 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 da. And that's going to be pretty much the same steps. If you wanted to program a second door, you could always do that. Just use, obviously, a different button than the one that you already have programmed and repeat the same steps. Other than that, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe for more videos like this. Check me out on all the socials. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.